Want to read more books but don't have time? Discover 15 Minutes AI, the AI-powered book summarizer that turns best-selling books into short, powerful summaries you can read in minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to use 15 Minutes AI to quickly summarize your best-selling books, save time, and learn faster using AI technology. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, or a lifelong learner, this AI tool helps you to understand the key insights from any books best-selling in just a few clicks. Now, to use 15 Minutes AI to summarize a book, here, click on your browser here. I'm using Chrome, and click on the search bar like this and type this here. You can see https://www.15minutes.ai. You can see slash, you see it here. Now send it, which I will leave on the description section for you to find it. Now click on search here. Now as you can see, it brings us to the 15 Minutes AI here. Now here at first, they will ask you to sign in using your email. Because I have already signed in, here I can't sign in again. So now here you can click on get started here, and it will bring you down here. You can see. Now here you can find best-selling popular book summaries here. You can see. Now here to summarize a book, here you can click on it like this. Now here by sliding down here, you'll find a summary. You can see a summary here. You see the introduction. You can see it. And what makes this 15 Minutes AI different? It will give you the best key insights. Now to find best-selling books in 15 Minutes AI, write by best authors. Here what you do now is to click on this icon here. And here you can see library. My library is where you will find books you have already reading it summarized. Now here you can see browser. Now here you can see search. Now here what you do now is to click on browser here to find best-selling books. By clicking this down facing arrow here, it will show you a list of the books you can see here. You can see books based on non-fiction. You can see books based on audio books. You can see books based on self-help. You can see books based on business. And you can see as many books topics here. Here you can see. Now let me click on technology here. I'll click on technology. Here it will bring you to the books based on technologies here. Best-selling books based on technology here. Let me click on this one. Now here, by sliding down here, you can see the audiobook. By clicking this audiobook is just to listen to it here like this.
Introduction. Have you ever wondered why some days you feel calm and connected, while other times you're anxious or withdrawn despite no obvious reason? The answer may lie in an overlooked hero of your nervous system.
Now here you can be looking at the right up and then be listening to the audiobook.
The master regulator of your internal state, influencing everything from your heartbeat and breathing to your emotional responses and social connections. Many of us experience.
Now here also you can see quotes here. By clicking these quotes here, you'll find quotes in the best-selling book which you click, which is one of the best of it. Here you can see. Now also by clicking this review here, you'll find reviews of the book you click here. You can see. And also here you can find the author. Here you can read more about the author here. And here also by sliding down here, now here you can see download PDF and EUPB. Here you can see it here. You can download anyone by clicking on it like this and then wait for it. As you can see, it is opening. Here you can see the PDF here. And you can see you have downloaded the PDF of the best-selling book here. You can see. Now you can go back by clicking on the back navigation. Now you can also download the EUPB of the best-selling book here. Here by sliding down here, you can see browse book, and here you can select anyone by each letter and also by the number of it here based on the best-selling book. This 15 Minutes AI has up to 1,000 best-selling book written by best-selling authors. So if you are not using this 15 Minutes AI, you are missing a lot, because I also benefit from it. Now here you can find popular authors. Here you can see the popular author here, which is best book-selling authors. Here you can see. And here you can also find hot summary. You can find hot summary here. Here on the company is where you can find our free program about it. Contact us here. The benefit of this thing most of all is the audio, how the audio read. Listen to how calm the audio book read here. You can listen to it.
In an overlooked hero of your nervous system.
You can see here. So if you are not using this 15 Minutes AI, and also here you will find only the best-selling book. Now also on this three icon, there is something I want to show you here, which is by clicking this three line icon here. And then here you can see search books. Here you can type books based on the name of the book. If it's business book, you just type business. If you want to read best-selling book based on businesses, here you can just type business here now and send it like this and wait for it to open. Here you can see. Now here it will find best-selling book based on businesses. Here you can see. You can click on it like this, summarize it, or listen to the audio book here by clicking this icon here and listen to the audio book. And then you can find the summary here.
Introduction. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, organizations face unprecedented challenges in attracting talent, engaging employees, and delivering consistent results.
Now what I want is for you to use this 15 minutes AI and tell me how you found it on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.